Hey, it's me again, and it's safe to say that the squirrels are minding their business. However, I got another pest, the worms, the cabbage worm, the collard worm. Yeah, they're gonna have to square up with me too. Cue the footage, cue the footage, so you can see what I'm talking about. So you can see what I'm talking about. Do you see that? Do you see what they did in a matter of 2 days? I'm gonna be using this. Yeah, because I seen the prices. I don't want to pay that price. I've been looking high and low in my area for netting. This looked like netting to me. It looks like it'll do what it needs to do to me. Yeah, $4. And look, it's taller than me. I'm 6 foot tall, and I still have some left. You see that? I still have some left. That's on the floor, and I still have some left. I'm gonna go ahead and get this handled because they can't keep eating on my other ones. I set that other one aside. They can have that one, but for the other ones, oh, we're gonna handle that. Another acorn. I think I think we got it. I feel good about it. As for this one, I'm letting them go ahead and have it. I'm letting them go ahead and have it.